Hey people, and for this round, we're going to show you how to troubleshoot when the Rockstar Launcher is failing to initialize. Now, one of the first steps that did not work for me was by using Steam. Now, just because it doesn't work for my computer, it might work for you. So the Steam method is, once we're here, just go to the bottom left, you'll see add a game, add a non-Steam game, and then let's type in the Rockstar Launcher. And if you can't see this, you can browse that as well. Just go to Windows C, Program Files, Rockstar Games, the launcher, double click the launcher, and you should be able to add that. Now, I haven't been able to make this work for me, but if it works for you, then that's great. Otherwise, if it's still not working, we can do the good old-fashioned uninstall and reinstall. Now, the fastest way to go about that is to go on the Windows search bar, type in add remove programs. On the search bar, type Rockstar. And as you can see, the Rockstar Launcher, just click on these three dots, uninstall, and head on over to a browser. Just type Rockstar Launcher. Click on download the Rockstar Games Launcher, and from here, download for Windows. Once that's downloaded, that'll be straight to your downloads folder, and just reinstall the launcher. Now, if that's still not working, we can try and go over to our Windows search bar again and look for services. Now, once here, we just have to look for program compatibility. Once you find it, just double click and make sure that the startup type is on automatic. Just click apply and try to open your Rockstar Launcher once again. And now that should solve the issue. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, subscribe, and maybe ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new tips. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.